guys, ganito yung situation dito sa taas ng Diwa, Malikabok, kasi hindi pa nasisimento yung kalsada. People and construction are so much very busy of doing their business and construction in other barangays, and it's very dusty. Walang pasok ngayon ang high school kasi bukod sa Malikabok, mainit din ang panahon. So ayan, I'm here sa taas ng Diwa, parting Gabawan. OMG, the road are not that much easy to take. Oh, ang pangit talaga, guys. I wish na later or sooner ma-okay na siya. OMG, Malikabok, para ka nang maliligo. Buti wala pang sakyan sa likod. My gosh. So, Malikabok. Mainihatid kasi ako dito sa taas, guys. Or mga katoka. My co-person from Tumingad with her son. So, no choice but to take them here. But hindi ko sila diniretso dun sa pinakataas, gawang mahirap na yung daan. Bako-bako, kagaya niya, no? Parang pag pataakyat kayo or pataas, lumulundag-lundag kayo sa motor, baka mapaano pa yung motor. At syempre dahil sakay-sakay ko sila, ayoko na magkaroon pa ng ibang sagutin, no? To all any riders, have a safe driving and ingat po sa pagmamaneho. Huwag po masyadong magmadali. Matay po sa inyo bagong hugas yung sasakyan. My gosh, everything will go smooth sooner, hanggang sa pagkatapos na yung bridge. Yeah. Ayan, hirap din yung ibang mga sasakyan mag-commute because of the road na hindi pantay and bako-bako. OMG. Mainit. Tuyot na tuyot pati yung mga katubiganan natin dito sa earth. Yung ibang barangay din, nawawalan din ng tubig. Nahirapan. Mabuti lang at umuulan-ulan ng konti kahapon. Here is your lady driver. OMG. Yeah. It's not easy though. Finally, malapit ako sa pinaka main road, kalsada. After my passenger, I can't take it for granted about the Malikabok. It's very dusty, bad for our baga. Yeah, you heard me right. Not wrong. This is my chance to take vlogs and videos of the road. Oh yeah, may daan din dito sa Diwa papuntang Patoo. Pag nagsara lahat na doon sa pinaka main road na inaayos, pwede sa ilog, pwede rin dito. So that's for today's, guys. Just letting you see about the situation here while they are fixing the bridge in Gabawan. This is your honey, and sorry uncle, I'm not able to take you. You are not able enough to hold. Tricycle dapat kay lolo. So pupunta na ako, guys, sa bayan. See you later. Babush! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vulcan Honey's Vlog. Bago ko pa makalimutan, guys, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung kalsadang inaayos nila dito sa Barangay Gabawan, na kung saan yung pwedeng dumaan lang dito ay motorcycle, garong, and other small four-wheelers or three-wheelers vehicle. By the way, medyo kailangan lang mag-ride and give and take ng road kasi hindi pwede magkasabay-sabay. Maliit lang yung daan, and alam nyo na, we must drive slowly and carefully. Ayan. Diyan na, malapit na tayo. That bridge is in between of Barangay Gabawan and Barangay Batiano. Give and take po dito. Kailangan mong mag-inline sa gilid until they all done passing by. Kami na naman ang susunod. Meron pa doon mainit, matirik. So, kailangan kong mag-adjust. Daming go na, naka-green sign, so we have to go. All commuters experiencing difficulties to bypass temporarily, but mostly it's very difficult na daan doon sa ilog. Ayan po yung bridge na inaayos nila. Doon kami sa ilog, yun nakikita nyo kung may nagawang daan. Andun kami. Say hi. So ayan sila. Ginagawa nila ng maayos yung tulay to make sure it might not cause sooner or later ng disgrace pag hindi inayos. So, shout out to all construction worker who are very hard working. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Ingat po kayo. Don't forget also to drink some water. Yeah. Not just as water, but food. Kahit mainit ang panahon, ay sige pa rin yung pagtatrabaho. It's because we have to work though. We need... Hi! So, ayan. Nakita nyo naman guys. Medyo traffic ngayon. I think the only thing na kulang dito sa amin, walang right discipline yung ibang mga tao to park. Kasi, halimbawa, nyan, right and left ng road. May magpa-park sa left, mayroong magpa-park sa right. I do not know how they really obtain the rules and regulation. Not enough, no enough discipline, what I mean. Yeah, sometimes nobody's perfect though. Anyway, we can make things better as long as you know the right thing to do it. Okay, so that's for today's video. Babush, Iklambush, and Kembertosh. Yeah.